Hello everyone. In this video, today I am going to show you how to calculate percentage in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Firstly, open your PDF document and click Prepare From option. Click Start. Firstly, we have to create three text field. Click text field icon and draw text field. Text field and first to text field name, copy and paste this code. First bracket, first field name, paste, close, and second text field name, copy, paste this code, second bracket, option, and copy this code. Check description link for this code and click third field, properties, select calculate option, click here, select custom calculation script, click edit and paste here this code, go to type 3, okay, click here and close, okay. Now click preview option, type here amount, type percentage 6 and click blank option, this percentage, total amount 8, click blank option, okay, and save this PDF, save as, okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.